What's up, pioneers? There's actually a big new update in the Pi ecosystem today. So if you check your Pi browser like this, looking here is my Pi browser. So if you go ahead and click on the Launchpad section, you're going to be able to see that there is actually a very big, massive new update. The Pi Launchpad is officially in its testing phase. Unlike before, it is not showing like this. This is the platform where the future project is actually going to get launched. This is where they are going to launch their tokens. So in today's video, I'm going to simply show you exactly how to navigate through the section of this Launchpad and how to stake your test Pi and what this new Irrational Test Token is actually all about. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve before Mainnet, you need to watch this video to the very end. This is our Fix and End channel. You're welcome to the channel. So looking right here on the screen, if you click on the Launchpad section, this is what you're going to see. So right now, if you have the Irrational Testnet, which is IRRA, you're going to notice that looking right here on the screen, you're going to notice that about 36 million test Pi has already been staked by nearly 500,000 pioneers. So when you look at the top corner of your screen, you're going to notice this yellow warning, which is actually very crucial. It actually explains that it is still in the test phase. You are not actually using your real Mind Pi. You are using the test Pi. So the Pi's token are not actually going to move to your mainnet. But participating in this system is actually going to help you to understand how it actually works, how the Pi Launchpad actually works, so that when you are now using your money, your real money, you are going to be able to use it effectively without making any mistake. So looking right here on the screen, when you click on View Launchpad, you can see that at the bottom here. If you click on View Launchpad like this, you are going to get to this dashboard. So this is where the magic actually happens. I'm going to break down each box to actually explain to you what it actually means. Looking here, the first one here is my cost. This my cost is actually how much test Pi you are putting in. So this is where you're going to be able to see the numbers of test Pi that you've put in to the Launchpad. And looking here as well, you can see where it says effective price. This is actually the exchange rate for the new token. This is where you are going to see the exchange rate for new tokens. So looking here as well, you can see the engagement discounts. This is the most important part on this Launchpad section. So looking right here, you need to understand what it means. It actually means that the more active you are in the Pi network, the higher your discount. This actually means that you get more token for less Pi. That is what the engagement discount actually means. So looking right here on the screen, under allocation breakdown, you're going to see where it says returned Pi. So this actually happens if the project is oversubscribed. What I mean by oversubscribed is when there is actually too much demand in the system. And when there's too much demand in the system is actually going to return your extra Pi and only takes what is actually needed of your share. So you can see it is actually a fair way of making sure that everyone gets a piece. So for those that might actually start asking, how do I participate in this Launchpad? If you have been following me, you must have noticed that I have been talking about this Launchpad for quite a while now. And you must have noticed that I actually shared a lot of updates concerning this. So if you have not participated then when I was actually preaching about the Launchpad, I don't think you can actually do that now, because looking right here is my Pi browser. Before, if you go to the Launchpad section like this, you're going to see that there is actually some period of time that was actually given to all pioneers to participate in this Launchpad. Looking right here on the screen is actually how the Launchpad appeared before the official launch now. So looking right here, you can see where it says time left. You can see that what is showing that right there then was 5 days and 7 hours. So looking right here, in order for you to participate then, you can actually click on View Launchpad and you'll be able to stake your test Pi. But if you did not actually stake your test Pi, then you can't actually do that now, because it is now officially launched. So from the recent updates now, if you go to your Pi browser like this is my Pi browser, and you scroll and click on the Launchpad section. If you click on the Launchpad section like this, let's go ahead and click on that. If you click on it like this, you're going to be able to see that it is now showing Irrational Test Token completed. So looking right here now, if you click on view launch like this, you're going to be able to see your cost, your effective price, and your engagement discounts. You're going to be able to see this only if you have staked your Pi initially before the launch. So looking right here is it. So if you do not stake yours, this is what you're going to be seeing on yours. You're going to be seeing 0 test Pi and 0 cost and 0 engagement discounts. So this is actually the new update on the Pi ecosystem now. Hope you found this video helpful, because we've come to the very end of this video. So I want you to comment your engagement discount on the comment section. I want to see the highest engagement discounts. I'm going to make more tutorials like this. So if you have not subscribed yet, do it to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to like and share this video.